Understanding stretch marks a common concern. Stretch marks, or striae, affect people of all ages, genders, and skin types. They appear as indented streaks or lines on the skin's surface. Stretch marks occur when the skin's connective tissue is stretched beyond its capacity, leading to small tears. This often happens during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy, puberty, or weight gain. While stretch marks are harmless, they can cause self-consciousness and affect body image. The good news is that there are various ways to minimize their appearance and regain your confidence. Understanding the science behind stretch marks is the first step towards effective treatment. Let's delve into the various remedies and preventive measures available to help you achieve your skincare goals. Nature's Touch: Exploring Natural Remedies. Nature offers a plethora of remedies that can help improve the appearance of stretch marks. Aloe vera, known for its soothing and healing properties, can reduce redness and inflammation. Coconut oil, rich in fatty acids, nourishes and moisturizes the skin, improving elasticity. Shea butter and cocoa butter, known for deep moisturizing, can help fade stretch marks. Exfoliating with a gentle scrub made from sugar and olive oil promotes cell renewal. Consistency is key when using natural remedies. Incorporate these ingredients into your daily skincare routine for optimal results. Consult with a dermatologist for severe or persistent stretch marks. Seeking professional help: dermatologist recommended treatments. For more pronounced stretch marks, seeking professional help from a dermatologist is recommended. Dermatologists offer treatments that effectively target and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Laser therapy uses focused beams of light to stimulate collagen production. Microdermabrasion exfoliates the top layer of skin, promoting cell renewal and collagen production. Chemical peels use a chemical solution to exfoliate the skin's outer layer, revealing smoother skin. These treatments improve skin texture and reduce discoloration. Consult a dermatologist to determine the appropriate treatment for your skin type and concerns. Professional treatments provide faster and more noticeable results. Prevention is key. Tips for minimizing stretch mark appearance. Prevention is always better than cure. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial in preventing stretch marks. Aim for gradual weight changes through a balanced diet and regular exercise. Hydration is essential for maintaining skin elasticity. Drinking plenty of water helps keep the skin hydrated from the inside out. Using a moisturizer rich in hyaluronic acid can enhance skin elasticity. Protecting your skin from sun damage is crucial in preventing stretch marks. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher daily. The power of hydration inside and out. Hydration plays a critical role in maintaining skin health and elasticity. Drinking an adequate amount of water is crucial for overall health, including skin health. Water helps flush out toxins and maintain skin elasticity. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Topical hydration is equally important. Applying a moisturizer rich in humectants, such as hyaluronic acid, keeps the skin plump and hydrated. Look for products containing aloe vera, shea butter, cocoa butter, or jojoba oil. These ingredients can help keep the skin hydrated and improve its texture. Nourishing your skin: topical creams and oils. Topical creams and oils can significantly improve the appearance of stretch marks. Retinoids, derivatives of vitamin A, increase cell turnover and stimulate collagen production. Hyaluronic acid attracts and retains moisture in the skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. Many creams and serums for stretch marks contain hyaluronic acid. Centella asiatica, or gotu kola, promotes collagen synthesis and improves skin elasticity. Look for products containing Centella asiatica extract. These ingredients help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Nourishing your skin with these products can enhance its elasticity and texture. Do's and don'ts: navigating stretch mark treatments. Navigating stretch mark treatments can be overwhelming. Consult with a dermatologist to determine the best course of treatment. Don't fall for miracle cures or quick fixes. Most treatments require time and consistency to show improvement. Protect your skin from sun damage by wearing sunscreen daily. Don't scratch or pick at your stretch marks. If you experience itching, apply a soothing lotion or consult a dermatologist. Follow these do's and don'ts to maximize your chances of success. Embracing your skin, the beauty of body positivity. Embrace your skin and cultivate a positive body image. Stretch marks often represent significant events like pregnancy or growth spurts. Embracing those marks as part of your unique story can be empowering. Society's portrayal of perfect skin is often unrealistic. Focus on celebrating your body's strength, resilience, and individuality. Challenge negative thoughts and focus on self-acceptance. Practice positive self-talk and surround yourself with supportive individuals. True beauty lies in embracing your authentic self. The journey to confidence, tips for feeling your best. Building confidence is a journey, not a destination. Practice self-care rituals that nourish your body and mind. Surround yourself with positive influences. Focus on your strengths and accomplishments. Celebrate your achievements and qualities that make you unique. Be patient with yourself and practice self-compassion. Celebrate every step you take towards embracing your body. Confidence comes from within. Stretch marks no longer a source of insecurity. Stretch marks can become a symbol of resilience and growth. By understanding their formation and exploring treatment options, you can reclaim your confidence. Countless individuals share the same concerns and aspirations for smoother skin. Embrace the power of knowledge and seek professional guidance when needed. Celebrate the unique beauty of your skin. True beauty lies in embracing your authentic self. Embrace your stretch marks and let your confidence radiate from within. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.